Okay, today we are just going to do lesson 18, temperature practice set. And I wanted you to have some practice in determining and practicing how to read a thermometer. So when we're looking at, let me pull my, wrong thing. When we're looking here, we know that this is 10 and 20 degrees. So each one of these little marks is going to be a value of 2 degrees. So if this is 10 degrees and it's up, it's up about 1 mark, this is going to be 12 degrees. Here we look and it's 70, 72, 74, 76. It's not, it looks like it is 74 degrees. You have to really look hard on these. These are very teeny, but thank goodness this one looks like it's right about, it's a little above 60, wouldn't you say? I'm going to put this at 61 degrees. If you say 60, that's fine too, because it's hard. It's such a sliver of a kind of like a hair above the 60, but not much. Okay, 70, 72, 74, 76. This is going to be 76 degrees. And this looks like it's not quite 70. So because we know that these are in increments of 2, because it's not quite 70, it means it's going to be less than 70, and it's going to be less than 70. Which puts it at 68 degrees. I'm going to scroll up, and here we go. This looks like it's right about, I would say it's almost 50 degrees, but not quite, and it's not quite 48. I'm thinking, based on this, that this is 49 degrees. Tell me if, really look at that and see what you think. This one I'm going to put at 30 degrees because Mrs. Oz, I have to look at this really carefully. The next one I would put 10, 20, 22, 24. This is 24 degrees. And on the flip side, we go from 24 degrees to almost 100. 92, 94 degrees. Can you believe that? Wow, that's a big switch. And then this one looks like it is 40 degrees. Now you've had a little thermometer reading workout. You'll be all ready for the homework. I wish you well. Take care.